Hi students, coordinate geometry, exercise 5.3, 12th sum. Find the equation of a line whose intercept on the x and y axis are given below. See that one, 4 comma minus 6. Solution, x intercept I will take first one a equal to 4, y intercept b equal to minus 6. You know the formula intercept form. The equation of the line is x by a plus y by b equal to 1. X by a equal to 4 plus y by minus 6 equal to 1. Here minus go to this place, by x by 4 minus y by 6 equal to 1. Now taking LCM, LCM means cross multiply. Denominator multiply and cross multiply. 6 4s are 24, cross multiply 6x minus 4y equal to 1. Okay, now 25 go to that side, 6x minus 4y equal to 24, plus 24 go to that side, minus 24. See that one, 2 common in this equation, divided by 2, that is 3x minus 2y minus 12 equal to 0. Now first equation. Second sum, minus 5 comma 3 by 4. X intercept a equal to minus 5, y intercept b equal to 3 by 4. Y intercept b equal to 3 by 4. The equation of the line is intercept form x by a plus y by b equal to 1. Appa x by a equal to minus 5 plus y by b equal to 3 by 4 equal to 1. Now denominator fraction, the 4 go to the numerator. Appa x by minus 5, 4y divided by 3 equal to 1. Now taking LCM, first denominator multiply, minus 15, cross multiply 3x minus 20y equal to 1. Now minus 15 go to that side, 3x minus 20y equal to minus 15. Minus 15 go to that side, plus 15. But 3x minus 20y plus 15 equal to 0. We get the answer. Next sum, 13th sum. Find the intercept made by the following lines on the coordinate axis. In the previous sum, intercept given. Now want to find the equation. Here equation given, we want to find the x intercept and y intercept. Okay, but 3x minus 2y minus 6 equal to 0. Put x equal to 0. X equal to 0 means value equal to 0. So minus 2y minus 6 equal to 0. Minus 2y equal to 6. Y equal to 6 by minus 2 cancel. Minus 3. Therefore, y equal to minus 3 means y intercept equal to minus 3. Put y equal to 0. Y equal to 0 means this value equal to 0. 0 means 3x minus 6 equal to 0. 3x equal to 6 divided by 3, x cancel 2, up x equal to 2. X equal to 2 means x intercept equal to 2. Now we get x intercept equal to 2, y intercept equal to minus 3. Similarly, next sum, 4x plus 3y plus 12 equal to 0. Put x equal to 0. X equal to 0 means value equal to 0. 3y plus 12 equal to 0. 3y equal to plus 12 go to that side, minus 12. Y equal to minus 12 by 3 cancel, minus 4. That is y intercept equal to minus 4. Put y equal to 0. Y equal to 0 means value equal to 0. 4x plus 12 equal to 0. 4x equal to minus 12. X equal to minus 12 by 4 cancel, minus 3. X intercept equal to minus 3. X intercept equal to minus 3. Y intercept equal to minus 4. We get the answer. Next sum, find the equation of the straight line. Find the equation of the straight line passing through 1 comma minus 4 and has intercept which are in the ratio 2:5. 2:5. Ratio given means some multiples is there. Okay, some multiples is there. I will take that multiple equal to k. That multiple equal to k. Then x intercept equal to a equal to 2k. Y intercept b equal to 5k. Some multiples I will take k. So one is a equal to 2k, b equal to 5k. The point is 1 comma minus 4. The point 1 comma minus 4. the equation of the straight line is x by a plus y by b equal to 1. அப்போ x by 2k a equal to 2k, y by 5k equal to 1. I will take equation number 1. Now the point x, y, x equal to 1, substitute 1 by 2k. Here minus 4, y equal to minus 4, minus 4 by 5k equal to 1. Now in this one k common. Put this. Now taking LCM in the numbers, 5 2s are 10, 10k, multiply the number only, 1 5s are 5, here minus 8 equal to 1. Okay, now cross multiply 10k, here 5 minus 8 minus 3 equal to 10k, k equal to 10, go to that side, minus 3 by 10, k equal to minus 3 by 10, substitute in this equation, equation number 1. See that one, x by 2 into k equal to minus 3 by 10, y by 5 into minus 3 by 10 equal to 1, cancel. That is x by minus 3 by 5 plus y by minus 3 by 2 equal to 1. Fraction, 5 go to the numerator, here also fraction, 2 go to the numerator. That is 5x divided by minus 3 plus 2y by minus 3 equal to 1. That is minus 3 denominator same, then add the numerator, 5x plus 2y divided by minus 3 equal to 1, minus 3 cross multiply. இப்போ 5x plus 2y equal to minus 3, minus 3 go to that side, plus 3, 5x plus 2y plus 3 equal to 0. Second part, passing through minus 8 comma 4 and making equal intercept on the coordinates axis. See that one, equal intercept. I will take equal intercept k. X intercept a equal to k, y intercept b equal to also k. The point minus 8 comma 4. The equation of the straight line is x by a plus y by b equal to 1. A equal to also k, b equal to also k. Now see the denominator same. LCM, here the point minus 8 comma 4, x equal to minus 8, y equal to 4, k, subtract these two values, minus 8 plus 4, minus 4 by k equal to 1, cross multiply, k equal to minus 4, k equal to minus 4, substitute in this equation. But 1 implies x by minus 4 plus y by minus 4 equal to 1, minus 4 denominator same, by x plus y divided by minus 4 equal to 1, cross multiply, x plus y equal to minus 4, minus 4 go to that side, plus 4, by x plus y plus 4 equal to 0. We get the answer. Thank you students.